About 10 years ago, I went to a conference and saw a robotics program. I couldn't help but think that's a program that our school would really gravitate towards.
I've always really been interested in building things and programming things ever since I was a little boy.
I heard about robotics, I researched it, and I realized how cool it could be. It seemed like a good opportunity.
These kids at their age are unable to drive a car, but they are able to drive, design, and program every aspect of the robot.
First of all, I built this robot myself, bare hands.
Austin's one of those guys that you ask him to build something and he'll go put something together that's really incredible, and if he has a problem with it, he won't stop until he figures it out. When they learn that way, they don't forget it.
Project-based learning to me is the way children really learn. Books are important, videos are important, teacher instruction is important, but if they learn by doing, it sticks with them.
STEM programs in general can be intimidating to students. The great thing about the FIRST robotics program is it is so easy for them to get excited about it. So as soon as they start with the program, they have immediate success, and then they begin to branch out and see that the sky's the limit.
The world is just open for them. They already are working like scientists, like computer experts, like engineers. They know how to work in a team, they know how to collaborate, they know how to solve problems. They're not afraid of challenges.
When I grow up, I want to be probably an engineer or some sort of scientist.
I'm probably, when I'm older, gonna try to be either a neurologist or a neurosurgeon, because medicine's incredibly fascinating.
I don't know if I've seen any program that has had a bigger impact on my students than the robotics program we have here at school. It's literally the coolest program you could offer for kids, and for teachers, it hits on all cylinders.